Let's link Mercedes-Benz International to a technician profile. Go to altusdrive.com and select Manage Existing Account to log in. Once logged into Technician Profile Manager, navigate to the Security Link tab on the left. Click the blue plus next to Mercedes-Benz International. Add required information if prompted, either account information and/or shop information. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, then click Save. Click iDenfy to verify your identity. Read the information provided and select Agree and Continue securely. Scan the QR code with your phone to complete the process. Select your country, then select Continue. Choose the document type, then click Continue. Select Allow to allow access to the camera. Follow the instructions, then select Continue. Capture the front of your license by tapping the circle. Follow the instructions to prepare for the selfie, then select Continue. Complete the following directions as stated on your phone. Once it's completed, you'll be notified to close the pop-up on the technician profile. Click the blue plus next to Mercedes-Benz International once again. Finally, restart all diagnostic scan tools connected to this account to sync.